We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Softail Lowrider. Really clean motorcycle. Couple cool add-ons it has are the high handlebars. Also has the high sissy bar. And Vance & Hines pipes. Let's listen to it. Also has those really nice, comfortable Vans grips. And a nice bright headlight. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California. We are open 6 days a week for test rides. So come check it out. This one definitely won't last long.